All right, folks, this is the last unit or the last section for Unit 8. Real world multi-step equations. We're going to put everything we've learned to use. So, in order to solve real world multi-step equations, you need to, sometimes it helps to draw yourself a picture. Work backwards. Or make a chart. You want to identify the variable and what it stands for. You want to identify the relationship each of the other numbers has with that variable. Excuse me. We're talking like less than, times, different stuff, different things like that. This will help you to identify. This will help you to identify the coefficient, if I can get it in the box there, and the constants. And then you need to identify the equation, and that can take a little work. But if you get all your numbers down and the variables and list them, it makes it a lot easier. So you're going to identify the equation, or identify what the equation is. Let me rewrite that. Identify oh, wait a minute, no. I skipped one. Identify the mathematical operation to use. And then write the equation and solve. There you go. Lastly, once you've solved it, try to substitute the answer back in and check to make sure it works. If it works, it's a good answer. If it doesn't work, not so much. Now, there's two ways to solve. Say, comparison examples here. There's an arithmetic and an algebraic method for finding the perimeter of a rectangle. In arithmetic, if we had a rectangle, and let's say it was 4 by 4 and 3 by 3, we would say 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4, and that would equal 6, 10, that equal 14. The algebraic way would be the perimeter P is equal to 2 times L, or the length, plus 2 times W, the width. This would also be P is equal to 2 times 4 plus 2 times 3, which would give you the same answer as 14. So let's look at a couple of examples. Mark's putting up a rectangle pen. He has 44 feet of fence. The width of the pen must be 8 feet to fit in his yard. How long is the length? Well, this is where this top portion here, drawing a picture, could come in handy. If I draw a picture and I got a backyard, and if I know that two sides are going to be 8 because he says it's rectangular, if I know two sides are 8, that means the rest is going to go on the other sides. But I'm not sure what that is yet, right? Excuse me. So what I can do is 44 minus 8 equals 28. So what that's telling me is 44, the total 44 minus 8 gives me 28 feet left over. Or, I'm sorry, feet left over. Now I can simply divide that by 2 to finish out the other two sides. So that means this is 14 feet and that's 14 feet. We can also write an equation. We could say that you have 2 lengths plus 2 times 8 is equal to 44. Because we know that 8's width is 8. So that would be 2L plus 16 is equal to 44. I would minus 16 from both sides. That would give me 28 is equal to 2L. I divide by 2, L equals 14. Notice how we get the same answer? We just took two different approaches. Now let's look at one more. The cost of a drink. A drink costs $4 less than an appetizer. The entree costs 6 times the amount of a drink. How much? The entree costs $12. How much is the appetizer? So we're looking at the cost and trying to find what it is for the appetizer. So, the entree was $12, right? We can work it backwards. The entree was $12. So we know, I'm just going to put E equals 12. And since it was 6 times as much as the drink must cost 12 divided by 6, which equals 2. The drink is less than the appetizer, so the appetizer must be $4 plus $2 or $6. Again, the drink, because the drink is $4, the drink is $4 and it's less than the appetizer. And so therefore, added the 2, that equals 6. Let's look at it algebraically, because there's different ways to look at things, and some things may work better for you than others. So the variable we know is C. We're looking for the cost. The drink is C minus 4, and the entree is 6 times C minus 4, or I'm sorry, 6 times C minus 4. The entree is also equal to $12. And now we can solve for C. We got to distribute first, so that gives us 6C minus 24 equals 12. We add 24 to both sides, that's 36. 6C divided by 6, C will equal $6. And there you go. Okay, I'm going to try to keep the video short. Take a moment and review if you need to, and then take a look at your exit slip and guide it.